The science of aging and longevity has been a subject of extensive research, and while we cannot halt the natural process of aging entirely, scientific advancements have shed light on various factors that contribute to aging and potential strategies to promote healthy aging and extend lifespan. This field of research is often referred to as gerontology. Aging is a complex biological process influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Over time, our cells and tissues experience damage and accumulate various changes that can impair their normal functioning. Some key theories of aging include telomere shortening, oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, and the accumulation of senescent cells. One prominent area of research in anti-aging is focused on understanding telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that shorten with each cell division. Eventually, when telomeres become critically short, cells enter a state of senescence or cell death. Scientists are exploring ways to delay telomere shortening or restore telomeres to slow down the aging process. Oxidative stress is another factor implicated in aging. It occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of harmful reactive oxygen species, ROS, and the body's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants. ROS can damage cells and contribute to aging-related conditions. Anti-aging research aims to develop interventions that can reduce oxidative stress and its negative effects, such as promoting a healthy diet rich in antioxidants and developing pharmaceutical interventions that target oxidative stress pathways. Mitochondrial dysfunction, the decline in the function of cellular powerhouses called mitochondria, is also associated with aging. Mitochondria play a crucial role in generating energy for cells, and their dysfunction leads to decreased energy production and increased production of ROS. Scientists are investigating strategies to improve mitochondrial function, such as using mitochondrial-targeted antioxidants and compounds that enhance mitochondrial biogenesis. Senescence is another area of interest in anti-aging research. Senescent cells are old, damaged cells that accumulate in tissues over time. They release harmful molecules that contribute to inflammation and tissue dysfunction. Researchers are exploring ways to selectively remove senescent cells, a process known as senolytics, to alleviate the negative effects of senescence on aging tissues and potentially extend healthy lifespan. In addition to these specific areas, anti-aging research involves broader investigations into lifestyle factors that can promote healthy aging. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, stress management, and maintaining social connections have all been shown to have positive effects on aging and longevity. It's important to note that while significant progress has been made in understanding the mechanisms of aging and potential interventions, many of these approaches are still in the experimental stages. The field of anti-aging research is constantly evolving, and further studies, clinical trials, and regulatory approval are necessary before widespread interventions can be established. Here are some additional areas of research and strategies being explored in the field of anti-aging. Caloric restriction and fasting. Studies have shown that reducing calorie intake without malnutrition, a practice called caloric restriction, can extend lifespan and delay the onset of age-related diseases in various organisms, including yeast, worms, flies, and mice. Fasting, intermittent fasting, and time-restricted eating are also being investigated for their potential anti-aging effects. These dietary interventions are believed to activate cellular pathways that enhance stress resistance and improve cellular repair processes. Hormesis. Hormesis refers to the beneficial effects of exposure to mild stressors. It suggests that the body's response to low levels of stress, such as exercise or heat exposure, can trigger adaptive mechanisms that enhance cellular repair and improve overall health. Hormetic interventions, including heat stress, cold exposure, and exercise, are being studied for their potential to promote longevity and counteract age-related decline. Genetic and epigenetic factors. Research has identified certain genes, such as the sirtuin family of genes, that play key roles in regulating aging and lifespan. Manipulating these genes in model organisms has shown promising effects on lifespan extension. Epigenetic modifications, which are changes in gene expression without altering the underlying DNA sequence, also have implications for aging. Understanding how specific genes and epigenetic factors influence the aging process is an active area of investigation. Pharmacological interventions. Various compounds and drugs are being studied for their potential anti-aging effects. For example, resveratrol, a compound found in red grapes and wine, has been shown to activate sirtuins and mimic the effects of caloric restriction, leading to lifespan extension in some organisms. Other compounds like rapamycin, metformin, and NAD+ precursors are also being investigated for their potential to target age-related pathways and promote healthy aging. Stem cell research. Stem cells have the ability to differentiate into different cell types and have regenerative properties. Research is being conducted to understand how aging affects stem cells and their regenerative capacity. Strategies to rejuvenate aged stem cells or introduce exogenous stem cells into tissues are being explored as potential anti-aging interventions. Senescence targeted therapies. As mentioned earlier, senescent cells accumulate with age and contribute to tissue dysfunction. Developing therapies to selectively remove or rejuvenate senescent cells, known as senolytics and senotherapeutics, respectively, is an active area of research. Several drugs and compounds are being investigated for their potential to target senescent cells and alleviate age-related conditions. It's important to emphasize that while progress is being made in these areas, translating findings from preclinical research to human applications and ensuring their safety and efficacy is a complex process that requires further study and clinical trials. Anti-aging interventions that are proven to be safe and effective for humans are still under development. In summary, anti-aging research aims to identify and understand the various factors that contribute to aging, such as telomere shortening, oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, and cellular senescence. Through interventions targeting these processes, researchers hope to promote healthy aging and extend the human lifespan. However, it's crucial to recognize that the field is still developing, and further research is needed to translate these findings into effective anti-aging interventions. Please support our channel, Vsauce, by subscribing and liking our videos. For more exciting, informative and educational videos, please enable bell icon for getting notification when we upload our new videos.